Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create professional slide design in just 10 minutes. Let's get started. Slide 1. Setting the background and text. First, open a blank slide. Right click and select Format Background. Choose Picture or Texture Fill. Then select the background image you want. Reduce the brightness to give it subtle look. Now, insert a text box. Set the color and adjust the alignment. To make the design more dynamic, go to the Insert 3D model, search for the model you want and insert it. Apply the swing animation, set the duration and adjust the effect. And that's it. The first slide is ready. Slide 2. Adding a video and image. For the second slide, go to the Insert tab and add a video. Now, insert the text and image you need. To adjust the image, crop it. Apply a shape that fits your design. Slide 3. Artistic effect and shape formatting. Right click on the slide and select Format Background. Again, choose Picture and Texture Fill and apply the artistic effect. Adjust the radius according to your preference. Now, right click and cut the image. It will be saved in the clipboard. Go back and select Texture Fill, then reinsert the same image. Next, draw a rectangle and circle shape. Select both, go to the Show Format and click Fragment. Now, arrange the text and shape as per your design. Slide 4. Refining text and image effect. For the slide, add text at the top. Now, crop the image. Shape it and add a shadow effect to enhance the look. Slide 5. Final touch. For the last slide, set the background image just like before. Now, add a heading. Insert relevant icon to complete the design. Adding animation. Finally, to add animation, select the slide you want to animate. Apply the animation to the text and element just as shown in the video. And that's it. Your professional slide design is ready in just 10 minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Incredible Design and Print for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.